Namaste. The awardee today whom we are going to felicitate, Professor Werner Menski, noted Indologist, Srimati Gayatri Issar Kumar, the High Commissioner of India to London, Shri Amish Tripathi, our Director at the Nehru Center of the ICCR, Professor Dr. Srinand Bapat, other eminent personalities joining this virtual function, and friends. I am extremely happy to be associated with the presentation ceremony of the Distinguished Indologist Award for the year 2018 by the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, or the ICCR, due to the unavoidable challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent travel restrictions. It has become kind of mandatory for all of us to join this kind of a function virtually. This award is prestigious in itself, and it reflects upon the multidimensional philosophical and Indological aspects of Indian civilization. It is a well-received recognition of the contributions by the eminent Indologist scholars around the globe in the field of Indian art, culture, literature, civilization, and customs. We are happy to present this award for the year 2018 to Professor Werner Menski, an emeritus professor of School of Law and member of the Center for Jaina Studies, School of Oriental and African Studies at the University of London. I would like to congratulate Professor Menski for his resounding efforts in the dissemination and promotion of Indology. He has played an instrumental role and proved his intellectual might with his widespread research on Indology, having several publications like Hindu Law, Modern Indian Law, and several such other publications in his name. As a scholar of Hindu law, his holistic approach towards Indology in the postmodern conditions, I must mention here, has garnered appreciation and by renowned institutions. Indology as a discipline is as old as the history of India itself. Quest to know about one of the most ancient civilizations is, I think, as old as the civilization itself. Lately, Indological studies have been recognized globally. We at the ICCR recognize and appreciate this development and continuously work for its promotion. ICCR has conceptualized a plan to promote Indological study, and I am proud to share this with our esteemed audience participating in this award function today. Our efforts to promote and popularize Indological studies aim at eradicating misunderstanding and disinformation about India, and in that way contribute towards enhancing the level of understanding about not only India, but the idea of India, Indian civilization, and Indian culture as well. At the same time, we are also all for contemporary Indology, because Indology need not mean only about talking about the ancient India, but we also have to talk about and spread awareness about all that is happening in modern India, in contemporary India, and therefore the idea of new Indology, I believe, is here to emerge. Indologists over generations have strived to delve deeper into India's rich history and civilization and promote Indological studies across the globe. Professor Menski's contribution in the study and promotion of Indology is an important step in this direction. I take this opportunity to commend Professor Menski and also wish him every success in his future projects in research in Indology. I am confident that his endeavors will lead to greater interest in not only study and research of classical Indology, but also study of as I said, contemporary Indology or new Indology or maybe even modern Indology. With these words, I once again extend my hearty congratulations to Professor Werner Mentzky and wish him many more years of pursuit of understanding the Indian civilization. I would also like to extend my best wishes to all the panelists for their participation in the panel discussion organized alongside this award ceremony. Last but not the least, let me also extend my heartfelt greetings and also express my deep sense of gratitude towards the panel of esteemed Indologists who were a member of the jury when we decided about this award. Thank you very much.